Hi guys, it's Matt with Silverman Solutions. Hope you're having a great day. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can make sure that you keep getting these updates about this new series that we've started on optimizing your Google My Business listing. All right, now we've covered a lot of different topics so far about how Google is turning this into a social network, about how to use posts to really rank higher in search results. Today, I want to talk about how you can help Google. Yeah, that's right. You can actually help Google create a better user experience, and you can help your users or your customers. And in some cases, I'm not being over dramatic here, you can actually save lives. There was an article in, I think it might have been Forbes recently, about the amount of spam that is on Google My Business listing and Google Maps. And it told the story of this one woman who had thought she was going to an urgent care facility, and it turns out there was nothing there, and it's because the Google Maps was wrong. And so you may be asking why people might do something like that. Well, what sometimes people try to do is they create a fake business listing, and then it all goes to one phone number, or it forwards to a different domain, or the phone calls forward to different business numbers, and that person, that spammer, that SEO spammer may get money for the amount of leads that they can bring in. And so in some cases they're motivated to create fake business listings or fake websites. And so one of the ways that you can help users and you can help Google, and so if you're in marketing, you can help your clients, or if you're just a regular business owner, you can certainly just help your own business. Is you have the option to go through. So I was searching for digital marketing in Bergen County, right? And so here, my business comes up, and so when you click on that business, taking a while, there you go. When you click on that business, it opens up and you actually have the opportunity to suggest an edit. Okay. So maybe like you're looking at the business and some information is wrong. Maybe the phone number is wrong. Maybe the website address is wrong. Okay. You can suggest recommendations. Now, the scary part is if you're a business owner, people can kind of mess around and change things on you and lie as a way to sort of beat you in competition. So you definitely want to check your listings regularly to make sure nobody's done that to you. Now, I found a good example of spam, and I'd like to show it to you. Okay, so when you're searching through listings, sometimes you'll notice that people will put keywords next to the company name. Okay, and so I just searched for Fair Lawn Digital Marketing. Fair Lawn is a town near me. The last search was for Bergen County Digital Marketing. So in Fair Lawn Digital Marketing, sometimes what I will see when I'm searching is that somebody's added keywords, and I say, I don't think that's part of the business. And so what I'll do is I'll go and click on the website to see if that's actually the business name. Okay, so digital marketing service is a keyword. It's a longer tail keyword. And so I saw that, I said, that sounds a little funny to me, and it is a newer listing. So when you click on it, okay, you check out the website. Now, I don't know if that address is real, and that is something you can look into as well. But if you click on the website, you'll notice that this is a landing page. It's not the name of the business, right? And you can do some deeper digging, but basically the name of the business is iDigital Systems. So this is basically a fake business listing, and so you can go and report them, okay? And so once again, like I showed you before, you go down into suggest an edit, and you can change the name of the business. Oh, did I skip pages there? I did. I gotta go back here. Doesn't want to let me go. There we go. All right, so I believe it was all the way down on the bottom. Okay, so you can go and suggest an edit here. Okay, and you can there are different options, right? You can change the location, the hours, the name. You can remove the place and basically say this is a fake listing. Okay, there are a number of different options. And so Google will then have somebody review it to see if what you said was correct. Okay, and so this is a great way for you to make sure that you're sort of defeating the spammers and scammers, to make sure that your business is ranking where it should be. or to help your customers find you better. And it really is something that should be done periodically just to make sure that, because they can crop up at any time. All right. So I hope you found that useful. Hey, let's, the better we can keep these results, the better user experience we all have and our customers will have. And hopefully then the better businesses will rise to the top. All right, guys. So do me a favor, like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about this specifically. It is a bit of a sticky topic, and I'd love to answer any questions you have. Thanks. Have a great one.